Pavilions Mall.
Ah, we got this one. I want to say they're hydraulic. Also, watch the leveling. It's pretty bad.
Nice, cool cab.
Push 3. It is hydraulic. Very interesting, like sealing and whatnot.
Oh, for sure.
Hard leveling.
P2. And then we'll just get off at 1.
Yeah. Oh, Otis maintains here.
Nice.
There's the. But these are not Otis.
These are Kones, I think.
They're. I don't quite remember what they are. But it's a generic something. Glenarm. Glenarm makes these. That's what it is.
Cool. Oh,
So-
they have a Hard Rock Cafe here.
They do, yeah.
Nice. I might want to eat there for dinner. You can join if you want.
I don't really, unfortunately, have.
Yeah. We used to have Hard Rock in Phoenix and they closed hours. Okay, I'm gonna get it off at 1. This was side.
Yep, we'll switch over. I gotta take a picture of this panel if I can get a focus. There we go.
Okay.
Ooh, nice breeze from there. I want to say there's other elevators. This is just the main set. I'm not sure why my focus is annoyingly bad lately. I don't know why. Like, the camera's really good itself. Like, if we go outside on 1, it'll look really nice, but down here, not so much.